Hi guys, I hope you're good since last video. So in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a tool that will show you that you can make your own rack system using just a bit of code, because here there's an interface, a UI, which is going to help you to build your different components and use your own logic in an easy way. So just before that, I'm going to talk about Check Our Houses, this website sponsoring our video. So you can here show different products in your social media and get rewarded, which is interesting. And also you can have access to the different AI tools if you have access to the GPT store of OpenAI. So get your social media community know about Check Our Houses collections and get rewarded. So it's on the non-affiliate products that you like, and your followers, you just show it and they'll be able to purchase and you get a percentage of it. It's a third party taking care of that, and they also have the GPTs available. You just tap Chikara into the GPT store and you get access to all those GPTs. Alright, so details of RAG, Ollama PG Vector LMStudio. So is it hard to do? Isn't it? I'm just going to show you here. So we're going to go straight into it, showing you the web interface. Ollama embeddings, that's one component, which is going to be linked to the PG Vector database. And up here, we have the different components to extract information from files or directories, using here the recursive character splitter. Just unlink this, but I'm going to show you how to link it to the input. So just you take the record, you put it in the input for the database to record those embeddings. So directory and file, you can validate the components. So if there's any error, it's going to just tell you that there's an error or problem. And you see here, I got this component validated. It's linked to the Ollama that is running on the backend. Recursive character splitter. On the bottom left, you can see in green it's written that is successfully loaded. And here, when you press here, it's just going to start the process of embedding those informations. So in this video, I'm not going to fast forward any parts. As you can see, the video is not very long. So you'll be able to see how long it takes for the components to take the document, the PDF file, and after to chunk it, and after to start doing the embeddings. Here the dimension is 4096. I'm using Mistral 7B. So it's good because it's going to be it can be very detailed as the dimensions are a bit bigger than the one. Normally it's 1536, something like that. And here in the PG vector you put the connection string, so connecting to your database. You put the table at the end. So the table here in the code, it's going to be maybe what would be in Langchain in the collection. But you would put the name here. That's the DB. And you see you have access to the code. That's what is interesting. So you can customize it. You can change it. You can add environment variables, for example, if you don't want to show the password and everything. And here the embedding has started. So the process of embedding has started, which is good. So the chunking process took a bit of time, like one minute, because the document is a bit long. It's a document about the capital cities around the world, giving them a rank and everything. You can get rid of the links like that. Just a little break very quick to like and subscribe, and we go straight to the video again. And after that, here we have a retriever tool So we give just a little description, just to tell that it's to retrieve the countries and capital cities. We give it a name, and this retriever is linked to the vector database. You see, that's the output side of it. There's a tool linked to a tool component, which is an agent. OpenAI, but here, as you can see, I've customized it. The model, we don't care about the model because we're using LMStudio. So any model loaded will be actually used. You don't need API keys, but you can customize the code if you're using the multi-model loaded configuration, for example, and at this time you can add your own models. Just tweaking the code a bit. This is the runnable executor. So it's going to take an input. It's going to have also the component which is going to be linked to the agent to run that query and to query the database. Here there's an I just put it like that, but you can also open a chat interface if you want, or you can put the input directly here. So this is you need to cut the link between those two components for that. And after, otherwise you just do it the way I did it. You take the chat component, put it as an input. The output of the chat component is the input of the runnable executor. Here the output of it is going to go to the chat output, which is the AI agent, and that's where you're going to get your response. Alright, so this was a quick video just to show you that you can make a RAG by yourself using Langflow. And in future videos I'm going to be using a little bit more this tool. I hope that you like this video. See you next time.